Today we're reviewing the Meter 2 Plus, which is a smart grill thermometer or smart meat thermometer, which we've got right here, which you can use for grilling and or cooking. Now, I've had this for a couple months, and what I love about this is how easy it is to use and set up to use as a meat thermometer. So you can see right up here, it gives you the internal temperature of whatever you're cooking. It gives you the ambient temperature, and then you'll have your target temperature that you set up by clicking set up to cook. Now, how this works is you've got the base station that charges up the probe right here, and this just runs off of a AAA battery, and then all of that connects to your phone so you can see this in real time while you're cooking, and you just leave the probe in whatever you're cooking or grilling that day. So I've used it several times to cook things on the grill, and it's great how precise it'll give you the temperature and then how it predicts how long it will take to cook something. So to set up a cook, all you're going to do is click right here. Let's say I'm going to cook a steak. Click on a New York strip here, and we're going to say a gas grill, 135. It'll recommend based on whatever you want, rare, medium, medium well, or well done. And then all we do is click start cook here. It says low battery because, well, I've used it a lot. But we click OK, and then it gives you the target temperature. And what happens as you warm this probe up, it will then show a higher temperature. I'm going to try and put it in my hand to warm it up. You can see it already has warmed up a little bit, 81 degrees. So it is very responsive, very easy to use. And you can see there we go, we're up to 86 degrees, and it tells you the ambient temperature as well. And then it will estimate your cooking time. So thanks for watching this review of the Meter 2 Plus. It's worked really well for me. It's helped me be a better griller and a better cook. I highly recommend it for the simplicity and ease of use to get the perfectly cooked meal in terms of steak, fish, burgers, chicken, whatever you want to cook. They've got it all in there. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.